This is number 78, chapter 3. It reads that the American Dental Association recommends that an adult female should consume 3 milligrams of fluoride per day to prevent tooth decay. So our first value is we have 3 milligrams of fluoride per day, and that's to prevent tooth decay. If the fluoride is consumed in the form of sodium fluoride, so what is sodium fluoride? That would be NaF. That's how we actually would get the fluoride into our system, and it has a value of 45.24% fluorine or fluoride, and this is always going to be by mass. The question is, what amount of sodium fluoride contains the recommended amount of fluoride required to prevent tooth decay? So we know that the female needs to have 3 milligrams of fluoride per day, and that person is getting their fluoride via sodium fluoride. So how much of the sodium fluoride does the female need to ingest in order to have this value of 3 milligrams of fluoride per day? And so we need to use our mass percent here to help with the calculation. And so to begin, we can say, well, we have 3 milligrams of fluoride per day. That's what is required. Now we can use our percent here as a conversion. Another way to say 45.24% is to actually represent it as a fraction, saying that, well, there is 45.24 milligrams of fluorine for every 100 milligrams of sodium fluorine. I apologize, sodium fluoride. This fraction here is really simply 45.24%. And so we're going to use this as our conversion value. And we're going to use it in such a way so that our milligrams of fluoride cancel out and we are left in milligrams of sodium fluoride, because that's what we want. That's the mass we want to determine. So we're going to put the 100 grams of sodium fluoride, but not grams. We want milligrams of our sodium fluoride in the numerator. We have the 45.24 milligrams of fluoride in the denominator. Our milligrams of fluoride cancels out, and we're left with milligrams of sodium fluoride. And when we do that calculation, we get 6.631 milligrams of sodium fluoride would need to be ingested per day in order to get 3 milligrams of fluoride into your system, again, to prevent tooth decay. That is number 78.